The Charm Patio 3-person swing was sold at Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your swing, please refer to the manufacturer model number 395346. You can also reference the store SKU number of S05294. The model number should be located on a tag on the original cushions or instructions manual. A few key identifiers for this swing are: it is a 3-person swing, A-frame design, curved canopy roof structure, decorative scroll design at sides of frame, side arm rests. Please do not confuse this swing with the futon swing that was sold at Home Depot after 2010. The swing canopies are different in size. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Charm Patio swing. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.